Hello cousin, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Big Mama Cooks and here I make mom level recipes made easy and I air fry them too. Today's recipe is going to be Dominican pollo frito. Yes, let's get right to it. First and foremost, we're going to heat up our oil. So I have a Dutch oven and I turned the flame up to high heat and I'm going to add between 2 and 3 cups of oil. My Dutch oven has the measuring tape already on it, which makes it easier. And I know that I added in 2 cups of oil and we're gonna let this get really hot. In about 4 to 5 minutes the oil begins to smoke and you're going to turn it down from high to medium high. Next is seasoning, and this is a simple one. Everything is going to be listed in the bottom bar. We have black pepper, some granulated garlic, some salt, adobo, lime, and seasoning packet. I love to use lime on my Dominican pollo frito because it gives this added touch of pollo frito taste that you can only find in Dominican fried chicken. I'm gonna mix everything really well together and it goes directly into the hot oil. And I'm gonna add everything into my pot, but I'm not gonna crowd the pan. This is gonna go in 2 different batches. I also would like to know that I didn't add oregano to the recipe because I didn't have any. But this recipe certainly does call for 2 tablespoons of Dominican ground oregano. This is going to take between 10 and 12 minutes per side, depending how brown you like your chicken. I like it Dominican pollo frito brown and it takes me 12 minutes per side. So once it reaches the desired color that I like on one side, I flip it over and 10-12 more minutes on the other. Like it a little darker than that, you add another 2 minutes. But I would like to know that while it's in the pan, it always looks lighter. As soon as I pull it out, you're gonna see how I think it kind of oxidizes and the color turns darker immediately. See what I mean? Freshly out the oil and the color becomes darker. Now, while my chicken is hot, I sprinkle a little salt over the chicken. That is a restaurant trade secret. So if you want a lot of flavor to your fried foods while it's still hot, you add a little salt to it. And here is the second batch of chicken with some sizzle action in the background. I don't like to crowd the pan because it messes with the temperature of the oil. And if the oil drops, the temperature drops too low, then it messes with the evenness of the cooking and also the color that you get. Look at our Dominican fried chicken, cousin. Don't you just want to take a bite out of this, sprinkle some lime on it, and just go to town? Man, this is good. This is like top 5 most best guilty pleasures. Cousin, if you don't think I served this with some white rice and red beans, then you don't know me. I also have the videos for both of those recipes on my channel. Thank you for watching, cousins. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. See you again next time.